Hi beauties, so today I'm going to share a highly requested video which is how to shave your facial hair. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Before starting to shave, you want a clean skin without any kind of dirt or makeup. For that I'm using a foaming cleanser. You can use your regular face wash also. This will prep your skin, and you can also steam your face for a minute before starting. Just quickly want to let you guys know that I have been shaving my face since 2 years, and I shave in the interval of a month or two. You don't want to dry shave. Always use a moisturizer or aloe vera gel or any kind of shaving gel before to avoid any bumps or cuts. I'm using Biotique moisturizer. It is light as well as hydrating, which gets the job done quicker and more efficiently. Now coming to the fun part, which is shaving. I'm going to use this face razor from Forever 21. You want to pull your skin very slightly with the opposite hand and start shaving in the direction of your hair growth. You don't want to shave in the opposite direction of the hair growth. You can actually see how much the growth was, and it wasn't visible so much. You just want to keep going after this and keep cleaning the blade with a clean cloth or paper. So the advantage of shaving according to me is that your makeup glides on easily, your skincare products work better, also the skin is exfoliated and looks more even. You want to be really careful with the chin as this area is more prone to cuts. Also, I like to wipe my face every now and then with a toner or rose water to calm my skin down, and doing the same exact thing on the other side of the face and on my upper lips too. Just use your tongue to stretch the skin a little bit. So talking a little bit about face razors, they are easily available in the market these days, and brands like Miniso, Forever 21, Vega, even Tinkle has some of the really good ones. For the forehead, you want to go in a downward direction, and notice how I'm placing my opposite hand over the hair which I don't want to shave. I won't be shaving my eyebrows in this video as it is a long topic and can be done in one separate video if you guys want it. So let me know in the comments if you want an eyebrow shaving video and I'll do that. Now a few things to keep in mind before shaving is use a moisturizer or shaving gel always before shaving. Don't scrub your face directly after shaving. Don't use a razor on fresh cut, fresh acne or any kind of burns. Replace your razor every 3 to 4 uses and always sanitize in between uses. Now you want to wipe your face or wash it off with some plain water, and then use a toner or rose water. The one which I'm using is from Luxurious Adore, their saffron toner. It is natural and is so calming for the skin. I love this one. Now coming to how to maintain your razors, is the way I like to disinfect my razor is with rubbing alcohol, but as I don't have it right now, I am going to use an antiseptic hand sanitizer. Just take a little bit on a cotton pad and wipe the razor for a few times and your razor is ready for the next use. Yeah, we are done with the face shaving, and if you guys have any questions regarding shaving, let me know in the comments and I would be happy to help you guys. Also, one more important thing, which is the hair growth. Will it be thicker? Will it be denser? No, they won't. I have not been experiencing anything like that. Since 2 years I have been shaving and my growth is completely the same. But However, saying that every skin type and all hair growths are unique and different, so don't quote me on anything, but you can definitely try it for yourself. There's no harm in it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.